Oh, sweetheart, isn't that lovely? I just adore the sound of rain, especially on a cozy night, knowing it's so warm in here, and the soft rush and thump of the raindrops is all outside. Shh, darling, there. It's okay. You're all sleepy, you're ready for bed, and Mummy's going to take care of you. If you find the thunderstorm even the slightest bit scary, I'll stay with you, and hopefully I can help you to realize how lovely listening to the rainfall can be. When Mummy's alone and feeling blue, yes, even I get that way sometimes, and I'm cuddled up in bed, trying to get settled, nothing makes me quite so calm and happy as the lovely sound of rain. It reminds me of tromping around in puddles and playing with my friends when I was little. Yes, sweetheart, even Mummy was little once. That was a long time ago, wasn't it? Just think of all the little birds tucked away in their nests, watching the raindrops fall over the boughs of the trees. They're not getting soaked. They've built their homes so cleverly, they're nice and snug in their little woven sanctuaries. Think of all the bunnies in their burrows, cuddling into each other for warmth and smelling the soft smell of earth after it rains. All the little field and forest creatures, knowing that the water falling means life is going on as it ought to go on. All the plants that are going to grow up big and strong, and the soil that's going to be rich and lovely and full of nutrients. And you know, darling, we're just little creatures too. Well, okay, Mummy is a slightly bigger creature than you, but rain is so important for our whole world. I think it's a lovely thing, and I also think it's a good thing to be grateful for. Okay, enough waxing lyrical. Did you brush your teeth, sweetheart? If you didn't get around to it yet, Mummy can come and help you, okay? Just scrub it up. It's so important just before bed, so don't forget, okay? Okay, sweetheart, I know I always say that, but that's just because it's always true. Okay, little one. Ready to go to bed now? That's my good baby. Up we get. Legs under the covers, and I'll come and snuggle up in bed with you, just until you fall asleep. There we go, Angel. Pillows for my little baby, and a pillow for Mummy too. Let's pull the blankets up. Oh, there we go. And get nice and comfy cozy together. There we go. Oh, gosh, sweetheart, look at you. Aren't you just so sweet? My sleepy little baby, so ready to be cuddled with and adored and loved. You are impossibly precious. Big cuddle, okay? That's right. Let's get all tangled up with each other, and you can snuggle into me while I stroke your back and help you get sleepy. Oh, just listen to that, darling. Absolutely lovely. Just think of all the rivers rushing with the rain, all the frogs having a little holiday, jumping and splashing about in it, all the trees so green and verdant as their leaves get watered. And the rain helps them make air for everyone to breathe. Isn't that lovely, Angel? I think it's just wonderful to think about. It makes you remember how beautiful the natural world can be and how intricate it is, like a lovely painting that came into being entirely on its own. Well, sweetheart, you are also like a lovely painting. Yes, you are. But there were a few additional parties involved in bringing you into being, I think. And that's wonderful in its own way. Here we go. Nice soft cuddle. And let's just listen for a little bit and do some deep breaths. Just breathe with me. I'm going to go nice and slow, sweetheart, okay? In. And out. A nice, slow, sumptuous breath in. And all the way out. A breath in. And a breath out. One more, darling. Can you do it with Mummy? Breathe in. And let it out. Isn't that lovely? That was so good, darling. You did so well. I can see your little eyelids fluttering. So sleepy, so soft, so sweet. That's right, sweetheart. My little treasure is all of those things, and they're right here with their mummy, nice and safe, ready for a lovely, long, relaxing sleep. You are so precious, darling. I want you to know that and hold it in your heart because it's true. That's right, it's true. Yes, you are. You're very precious. I'm just going to gently stroke your hair, Angel. I want to cherish this moment with you. There. So cozy from your head all the way down to your little toes. Mummy's got you, darling. And I'm going to make sure you stay cozy and safe with all the cuddles in the world if necessary. And you know that Mummy's cuddles are magic and they protect against nightmares and bad dreams. Why don't we listen to the rain together? Just for a little longer, and I'll sing to you, and you can gently drift off to dreamland. I love you, darling. Sleep well, and sweet dreams. I know. It's a nice lullaby. Good night, darling. Oh, sweetheart, isn't that lovely? I just adore the sound of rain, especially on a cozy night, knowing it's so warm in here, and the soft rush and thump of the raindrops is all outside. Shh, darling, there. It's okay. You're all sleepy. You're ready for bed. And Mummy's going to take care of you. If you find the thunderstorm even the slightest bit scary, I'll stay with you. And hopefully I can help you to realize how lovely listening to the rain fall can be. When mummy's alone and feeling blue, yes,